What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name's Michael. I own this 2016 Focus ST, as you can tell from other videos if you are scrolling through. Today, I'm gonna just be giving you a little rundown of what all I've done to it, what I plan on doing, and that's where you guys are gonna come in and help me out for what I plan on doing in the future to this car. And I just wanna give a big thanks to all you guys that are subscribing and leaving comments. That helps me out a lot. Greatly appreciated. We are growing pretty fast. In I think a month we gained 18 subscribers. That's pretty good, I think. Not as good as others, but hey, I'll take it. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. We'll set you up. We'll do a quick bath real quick on this Focus. It's been neglected a little bit, let's say the least. I've been on vacation. My buddy invited my girlfriend and I down to the lake with him, and we had some fun skiing or water skiing, wakeboarding. But yeah, so let's get into it. I'll set you guys up. We'll do a little quick wash, and then I'll go from the front to the back of what all I've done to it, because I got it bone stock. And I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned, and till the end when I start rambling off what I plan on doing later, you guys can help me out. Appreciate it. I swear, I choose the wrong time to do these videos all the time. Right now, it's like 90 degrees outside. I'm sweating my balls off. And now it's windy. And I'll show you. As you can tell, it's definitely windy. But anyway, we're gonna try and make this work. We're gonna start from the front, work our way back to the car. Like I said, I bought this thing. It looked like a fishbowl. Now I got the tint on, or I've had the tint. Now we're putting some upgrades on it, making it look good the way I think, at least I think it looks good. You guys can let me know. And like I said, stay tuned till the end. I'm gonna ramble off some things that I wanna do to it eventually, but you guys are gonna help me decide which ones you guys think are better. Maybe price, product, quality, whatever. All right, we'll go ahead and get started anyway, even with this freaking wind. But to start it off, I first got a pack of these emblems, the black, and then there's like a silver. I did that on the front, the back, and then the steering wheel has the same matching color. I just did that for cosmetic looks, really. A lot of this is more cosmetics, I think, like this ST logo. It's reflective. I'll leave a link where I got it. So like when you take a picture with a flash, it'll reflect back. It's pretty cool. Or even if you're at night and headlights, like LED headlights hit it, it'll be reflective, which is cool. The Velossatech RAM intake or air intake, I got the red ring with the black scoop going through. I'm not sure if it does anything. I just like the way it looks again. Raise this up. We got that JLT right there, the oil catch can. We got the Imposer delete, which you can see right there. And we got the Cobb short plate or shifter reducer with the bushings. I like the way it feels. It makes shifting feel short, obviously shorter, and it's like more stiff. It's not so like, I would describe it as like a squishy feeling, like you're throwing it in, it's like a squish. Like you can feel a give to it. In this one, it's just like, it like sticks really hard and sticks well. Let's see, we're gonna go to the wheels. I have Rotiform RSE along with my winter set, the stock tires still. Going on to the mirrors. $25 upgrade. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down. A lot of these, I'll leave links down from the videos that I've installed and everything. But those are also cosmetic. They just are sequential. Moving on into the interior. Like I said, I got the matching sticker. You can obviously tell it's a sticker because you can see the blue. I just didn't think the blue and the red looked good. It just, I don't know, when it goes into gear, it actually feels like it's in gear. But I bought those wheels from my buddy along with this Cobb access port. And I am not on a tune yet. I'm just basically running and watching gauges, seeing how much boost I've been getting. I've been meaning to get a new air filter so that way I can at least go stage 1. But it also recommends a motor mount, that rear motor mount or whatever. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. So yeah, you guys can let me know on that if I should do that. I mean, I understand like it gets better traction, there's less like wheel hop or anything, so it really makes a car feel more planted. But I also know it vibrates more, which, I mean, I don't know how bad it vibrates, what it's like. I haven't driven one with a rear motor mount, so it probably can't be that bad. Another cosmetic, the rear window louvers, also the wing risers, and the wiper delete. And then if you are following me from previous videos, you've probably mainly seen my AWE exhaust review. Still love it every day. It's awesome. A bunch of you, I greatly appreciate reaching out and talking about which ones that you guys like, which ones you guys have. Like someone said they had the Tomei, however you say that one. It's just like that one singular output exhaust, which in a way looks kind of cool. It sounds way different. It's definitely unique. He said it also is super lightweight, which weight reduction, everyone's looking for weight reduction. And the mud flaps, I put those mud flaps on, I almost forgot about that. Ooh, I almost forgot. I also got, I think it's Rivian. That little teeny tiny little stubby antenna makes the car look a lot better instead of having that freaking thing way up here. Also, my buddy still has his stock antenna, or he did, and it kept hitting his wing because he has those the wing risers also. So that also, you avoid the problem that way. But moving on to, I'm gonna go into the car, that way it's not windy. I'm gonna start it because it's hot. Okay, so I just went through this whole spiel. I gotta do it again because my phone stopped recording. So we're in the car, nice and cooled off now, and it's 84 degrees, not 90. My bad. Anyway, that's everything I've done to the car so far, mainly more cosmetic. I'm trying to keep this car reliable because it's my daily driver. It's the only thing I have. I don't have that much money to be dumping tons of money into it, making all these upgrades, and say it breaks, then I'm screwed out of a car, can't do anything. And so I'm trying to keep it reliable. Like I said, I want to do a front mount intercooler, so y'all can help me out with that. I've been looking at CPE, but Mountain's also there, or there's other brands that I don't probably know of, I haven't looked into, along with coilovers. I'm definitely in need of coilovers. We need to get low. Not too low, but we need to get low. Also, now that I'm making this again, I remembered now I also want to get a front lip, but I already know which one I want to get. The front lip, skirt, whatever. Eventually maybe side skirts or a rear diffuser, but definitely the front lip. I definitely know the company I'm going to go through with that. I'm sure you guys are going to like it. But yeah, for those of you that are leaving comments, have focuses, or know well about other cars or what's a good product even, let me know for the front mount intercooler and coilovers. We'll grow this channel together. You guys are awesome so far, leaving these comments, likes, and even subscribing. Like I said, I appreciate every single one of you. We're doing good. We're growing the channel slowly but surely. If this channel eventually takes off, you guys join in. I mean, everyone wants to be the same, give car giveaways. I definitely want to do that. I think it'd be sweet to build a car. I mean, not have my own cars, but build a car for you guys and then give it away somehow, whether that's maybe merch or like you just buy online raffle tickets or something. That'd be dope. But I mean, we're a super small channel. So yeah, guys, so hopefully you like this video. This is a little up to date. I did have someone comment like, what all have you done to the car? This is why I'm making it. Helped me out with making the content, which was nice. So thank you, shout out to you. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share, leave them comments of what I should do, what I should get next. Thank you, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks again for watching, guys. And if you made it this far in the video, here's 2 more you can watch. If you're interested in the content, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys.